Hello students, now we will see second exercise of chapter 4 simple equations. So exercise 4.2 we will see of simple equation NCERT standard 7th. Okay, so let's start. The question is, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So first of all, what we need to do in this question? So this is our question. First one, equation is given to us x minus 1 equal to 0. Now here we will solve the equation and we will get the value of this unknown variable. So x की जो value है that we will calculate. How we will calculate? So we need to write the steps what we are going to do. Here we will have to find the value of this variable x, y, z, whatever given to us. So first of all, whatever is attached with this variable term, we want the value of this x. X equal to something we have to find out. So x के साथ क्या attach है that we have to see carefully. Now here with x what is given? Minus 1 is given. Okay. So with x minus 1 is given. So if minus 1 we will remove. Suppose अगर मैं minus 1 remove कर दूं, suppose, then we will get x equal to something. Okay, so we have to find out the value of the variable by removing the terms from LHS part which is attached with the variable. Now we will go stepwise for removing the terms. Now in equation the LHS and RHS part, this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part, both should be balanced. So whatever step we will do, that step should be done on both sides, LHS also and RHS also. So whatever step you will do, जो भी आप calculation करोगे, it should be done on both sides, LHS also and RHS also. So now our first equation is x minus 1 equal to 0. So how we will find out x? So this minus 1 if we remove, we will get the value of x. Now minus 1 कैसे remove होगा? So we just have to keep the opposite of minus. Now here minus 1 is given. So minus 1 को हटाने के लिए अगर मैं यहाँ पे plus 1 कर दूं, if I do plus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 will be 0 and only x will be left out. So you just have to remember that you just have to do the opposite of whatever is written. If it is minus, you will do plus. If it is plus something, you will do minus. If it is in multiplication something, then you will do division. And if it is in division, then you will do multiplication. So ये आपको याद रखना है. So just what is given, उसका opposite आपको step करना है. So this is the easiest way you can remember. Now x minus 1 equal to 0. So first step, our step that we will take is, we will do plus 1 on both the sides. So we will write adding 1 on both the sides. I am writing BTS. BTS means both the sides. दोनों side, LHSB और RHSB. दोनों side पे हम कर देंगे plus 1. We are doing adding 1. So this is our step. So first you have to write the step and then you will do the step and you will solve the equation. So we have written step adding 1 on both the sides. Now our equation is x minus 1 equal to 0. This is our equation in the question. Now we are doing plus 1 on both the sides. So here also we will write plus 1 and here also we will write plus 1. Now here you can get anything, any number, any answer, but here only variable should be left out at the end. So that is why we are removing one by one the terms and we have to find out only variable. So I have written minus 1 plus 1, here also plus 1. So adding 1 on both the sides. Done step. Now minus 1 and plus 1 will become 0. Okay, because same number opposite sign. So minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, or you can cancel also like this. Same number opposite term है तो वो cancel हो जाएगा, or it will become 0. So x minus 0. So this side only x is left now. ये minus 1 remove हो गया, it is removed now. And this side we will add. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. So this is our answer, x equal to 1. So we got the answer of first one. So this way you have to do the steps. Now second one. Now second question is x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here plus 1 is there. So I told you whatever is there उसका opposite करना है. Okay. So plus 1 is there. So we will do minus 1. What we will do? -1. To remove this +1, we will write -1. And whatever we will do, that we will do on both sides. So here our step will be subtracting 1 from both the sides. So your step will be subtracting 1 from both the sides. Here we are doing subtraction. So now our equation is x plus 1 equal to 0. This was our equation in the question. I am doing subtracting 1. So यहाँ पे -1 रख देंगे और यहाँ पे भी -1 रख देंगे. Okay, now again -1 and +1 will be 0. So this side only x is left, and this side 0 minus 1 is how much? 0 minus 1 is -1. So this is our answer of second one. So we got the answer of the variable. Now this is our third question. X minus 1 equal to 5. So again we want only variables value. So this -1 should be removed. So again -1 माइनस दिया है तो उसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? प्लस. तो वी विल डू एडिंग 1. यहाँ पे जो भी नेगेटिव साइन आपको चेंज करके लेना है. सो -1 दिया है तो वी विल डू +1. So adding 1 on both the sides. So now we will write x minus 1 plus 1 and this side 5 plus 1. Both side +1 done. Now this +1 and this -1 will be cancelled. Here x left and here 5 plus 1 6. So we got the value of the variable. So this was third one. This is fourth question. X plus 6 equal to 2. Now x plus 6 is given. तो ये +6 remove करना है. We will remove +6. So now what we will do? We have to do opposite. What is opposite of +6? It is -6. So our step will be subtracting 6 from both the sides. So our step first will be subtracting 6 from both the sides. Okay, so now LHS is x plus 6. We are subtracting 6. So -6. And this side 2 is given. Again here also -6. So this -6 and +6 will become 0 or cancel it. So here only x is left. And here 2 minus 6 will be -4. So our answer is, the value of the variable is -4. Now next equation is y minus 4 equal to -7. Now -4 we want to remove. So again what is opposite of -4? It is +4. +4 means we are adding. So adding 4 on both the sides. So BTS means both the sides. So our LHS was y minus 4. So we are adding 4 this side. So write +4. Again this side RHS part -7. So here also we will do +4. Whatever step you are doing, that you have to do on both the sides. LHS में भी करना है और RHS में भी करना है. So this -4 and +4 again cancelled. So this side only y is left, and this side -7 plus 4 will give you -3. So this is the value of this variable y, -3. So this is our next question. Y minus 4 equal to 4. Now this -4 we want to remove. Again -4 is there. So again same steps. Opposite of -4 is +4. So we are adding 4 on both the sides. So our LHS is y minus 4. We will do here +4. And that side 4 is given. So again we will do +4. जो भी दिया है उसमें +4. So here -4 plus 4 cancels. So here y left and here 4 plus 4, 8 is left. So y equal to 8. So this is the answer of F1. Now next question is y plus 4 equal to 4. Again +4 is there. So positive 4 is there. So we have to take -4. So our step will be, again it will be subtracting 4 from both the sides. So our LHS part is y plus 4. So we will write here -4. That side also 4 is there. So we will write -4. Here +4 and -4 will become 0. So only y left variable, and that side 4 minus 4 will be 0. So this is our answer, y equal to 0. So this is the value of the variable y. Now last sum of question number 1. Y plus 4 is equal to -4. Again +4 is given. So we want to remove it. So we will do -4. So again we will do subtracting. So again same step. subtracting 4 from both the sides. So our LHS part will be y plus 4 minus 4, and this side minus 4 is given, and again we are subtracting 4, so again minus 4. This is already given, and this is our step that we are doing. Here minus 4 plus 4 cancel, only y left, and y equal to minus 8. This minus 4 and minus 4 will be minus 8. So y equal to minus 8. Now this was question number 1. In this only addition and subtraction was there. Now in question number 2 there is multiplication and division. Other two steps are there. So now we will see question number 2, which is of same type. So now we will see question number 2. So question number 2 is also same, but steps are of multiplication and division. Again, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. First one is 3l equal to 42. Now this 3l, there is no sign, means which sign is there? Multiplication sign is there. So if I want to remove this 3 is in multiplication part. So now this 3l equal to 42. This 3 we want to cancel. So how we will remove this 3? See, we want only the value of the variable. L equal to something we will find out. So this 3l, okay, if here upon 3 is there, okay, अगर यहाँ पे upon 3 में लिख दूं तो ये 3 और 3 cancel हो जाएगा, right? So this 3 is in multiplication. So what we need to do? We need to divide it. So I told you we will just have to do the opposite of what is given. So this 3l means 3 is in multiplication. So our step will be, we have to do division. Okay, so now let's see. So our step will be dividing by 3. So we will divide by 3, but whatever we will do, that is to be done on both sides. So dividing by 3 on both the sides. So both side we will divide by 3. So this side it is 3l and RHS part is 42. So यहाँ भी upon 3, यहाँ भी upon 3. Okay, both side we are dividing by 3. Now this 3 and 3 cancel, and here also it is possible cancellation. So 3 ones are, and here 3 ones are 3, and 3 fours are is 12. So 14. Here what is left? L equal to, here 14 is left. So this is our answer of the variable. So this was first one. Now b upon 2 equal to 6. Now we want to find b. This 2 should be removed. Now 2 is given in the denominator. Okay, so first of all you need to understand that how we will remove this 2. ये 2 कैसे remove होगा? It is very easy. See, b upon 2 is given. If here I write 2 in multiplication, then this 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Right, so 2 is in division. So what is opposite of division? It is multiplication. So we have to do multiplication. So here we will multiply both sides. We will multiply by 2. So now our step will be multiplying both sides by 2. So that you need to write. So multiplying both the sides by 2. So this was our LHS and this is RHS. So here also we are multiplying by 2. Here also we are multiplying by 2. Here 2 and 2 cancelled, only b left, and here 6 2s is 12. So this is the value of b, variable b. Now moving ahead with third question. This is third question, p upon 7 equal to 4. Again 7 is given in the denominator. So again we will do same steps. It is given in division. So for removing this 7, we will multiply here by 7. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled, and we can get the value of the variable. So again our step will be multiplying both the sides by 7. So we will multiply both the sides by 7. So here our LHS part is p upon 7. So here I am multiplying by 7, and this side 4 was there. So 4 into 7. Now this 7 and 7 is cancelled. So this side p is left, and this side 4 7s are 28 is left. So this is our value of the variable p equal to 28. Now next question D1 is, so this is the next equation, 4x equal to 25. Now this 4 is in multiplication. So for removing this we have to divide by 4. So we will write dividing both the sides by 4. So now we will write this 4x equal to 25 is given in the question. Now we are dividing both by 4. So here 4 and 4 cancelled, but here 25 upon 4 cancellation is not possible. So we don't have to cancel it. Here what is left? X. And this side 25 upon 4 is left. So this is our value of the variable. Now the value of the variable can be positive number, can be negative number, or it can be in fraction also. So don't worry, this answer is also correct. So 25 upon 4 is the value of this variable X. Now moving ahead, next one, it is 8y equal to 36. Again, 8 is in multiplication with this variable. So to remove 8, again we have to do division. So our step will be dividing both sides by 8. 8 को निकालना है तो दोनों side we will divide by 8. Whatever steps you will do, that you have to do on both the sides. So dividing both sides by 8. So this side it is 8y, we will write upon 8, and this side 36 upon 8. Here 8 and 8 cancel. Here 36 and 8 we have to do cancellation, we have to reduce. Both are coming in the table of 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. So 9 upon 2 is left. So this side y left and this side 9 upon 2 is left. So this is our answer of the variable. Now moving ahead with next question. Next question is z upon 3 equal to 5 upon 4. Z upon 3 equal to 5 upon 4. Now here also fraction is given and here also fraction is given. But don't worry, this side anything can be given. Fraction, negative, positive number, whatever. You just have to see this part. Because we want to find the value of z. So whatever is connected with z, that we want to remove. So here whatever is given, don't worry. You just have to think about the number which is attached with the variable. That how you will remove. So that you need to see. Okay. So here it is z upon 3. Means this 3 is in division. So now we have to do multiplication to remove this 3. So that 3 we will multiply on both sides. Okay. So we will multiply here also and here also. So our step will be multiplying. We are multiplying by 3 on both the sides. So both the side we will multiply by 3. So z upon 3 is there and this side 5 upon 4 is there. So here also we are multiplying by 3 and here also we are multiplying by 3. So what will happen? Here 3 and 3 cancelled. Only z left equal to, here we can multiply these both because cancellation is not possible. So 5 3s are 15 upon 4. So this is the value of the variable z, that is 15 upon 4. Now next question is again same type of equation is given. A upon 5 equal to 7 upon 15. Here also fraction, here also fraction. We just have to see this LHS part because we want the value of variable. So this upon 5 means it is in division. So 5 remove karna hai. So we will do multiplication. So we will do multiply. So we have to multiply both the sides by 5. Okay. So this LHS part is a upon 5. It will be 5 into a upon 5. We are multiplying both sides. Here 7 upon 15 is given on RHS. This also we are multiplying by 5. Here 5 and 5 cancel. Here cancellation is possible. 5 1s are and 5 3s are. So this side only a left and this side 7 upon 3 left. So now we are getting a. So that variable value we have got. Now last question. So this is the last equation, 20t equal to minus 10. Now this 20 is in multiplication. So we have to do division. So we will divide by 20 on both the sides. So this will be our step. Dividing by 20 on both the sides. So here 20t is there. So we will divide by 20. This side minus 10 is there. We will divide by 20. Here 20 and 20 cancel. And here 10 1s are and 10 2s are. Or you can cut 0 and 0 and then minus 1 upon 2. Anyway you can do. Answer is going to be same only. Here t left and this side minus 1 upon 2 is left. So this is the value of the variable t. So hope you understood question number 1 and question number 2. You just have to first write the step and then you have to find out the answer of the variable. Okay, so this was question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.2.